Okay, isn't it cool when you actually find a dealer that has the 3 hottest bikes, right? So I love doing side-by-sides. Dirt bikes, wildly popular right now, and I can see why anyways, listen, 79 bike. Everybody's kind of talking about these ones. This is the GT. So I like to do comparisons. These are like very comparable. We have the Talaria MX5 and we got your Surron Light B, right? These are your most comparable bikes. Size, price as well. So let's start with price. So these ones are on sale. They used to be $7,800 and now they're $6,899. So $6,900, $6,500, $6,500. 60 volt, 40 amp hour, I believe. 72 volt, 45 amp hour, 72 volt, 40 amp hour. So pretty similar. 8,000 watt motor, 13,000 watt motor, 13,800, 13,000, 16,800 watt motor. Disclaimer, sometimes more power is not better. So which one do you choose? First of all, you come to Ride the Wind e-bikes or we have a chat on the phone and figure out what's best for you. But these bikes are so comparable. Obviously this one has some more power. Now they all have removable batteries. I really like the lights and the screen on this one. It's got the signals, that works, but you have lights on the Surron, but it doesn't have the signals. You can actually plate a Surron, which means like a dirt bike, you can go to the Ministry of Transportation because it comes with the NIVIS, you can put plates on it. You can't do it with these 2 bikes. So quality wise, you know, to really test bikes like this, you got to go check out some other YouTubers that actually ride the shit out of these bikes, like on motocross. That's the opinion that you really want to get. Ride the Wind, we're going to give you kind of specs, price, and size comparison. We are not pro riders. I am not a pro rider. I got a Talaria at home, okay, so I'm a little biased. But you might just be drawn to like the style of this one. Size-wise, they're all the same. And if you want something right away, this is what you get too, because the Surron, we know these people love the name of these ones. But I think for 6,500 bucks, clearly the specs on this one are not giving you what the massive specs on this one are doing. But I'm still gonna go with the Talaria because I know they're tried and true. They're a Canadian brand. They have a warehouse. We know that we can pick whatever we need from. So for, you know, down the road, this one is still more supported. So yeah, I just wanted to get all 3 of them. So which one do you choose? I don't know. Which one do you choose? Let us know.